nice wash after this. So the oil change is happening there, and then we're gonna wash it. So it's already, it doesn't look that bad now, but it's dirty. And there's been salt on the roads, so it can use a wash. Okay.